My name's Tracy Ford and I own Ford Product Design. Primarily we make cocktail smokers, but we also do furniture, cabinetry, and can build just about anything else. I now have 5 people that work for me and we make a lot of stuff. The cocktail smokers were really where the business started. It is a device used to incorporate smoke into your favorite libation. We actually cut our bases, but they have integrated circuit boards and fan system inside that's all controlled. And then I had people ask for them, and I was like, okay. So it turned into a little more viable business, and since then it's just exploded. This year we'll probably make somewhere around $2,000 to $3,000. I originally started on a little Chinese CNC that was super tiny. And then I actually upgraded and I used it for about a year, and it just gave me issue after issue after issue. It wasn't able to do what I needed to. When I was trying to cut 100 smokers, and it would get halfway through and I'd realize something's off. I just kept troubleshooting it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'm gonna buy a more industrial grade machine. I saw the Pro and I'm now at the point that I can cut 20 smokers at one time. I don't have issues with the machine. I very rarely have to troubleshoot anything. The little bit of troubleshooting that I have had to do, I contact support and I've got an answer within a few hours. Christmas time, during the holidays, that's my biggest time by far. The CNC was literally running for 8 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week for 2 months. I mean, it's got several thousand hours on it already. I use it a lot for cabinetry. It's great to be able to cut drawer boxes, and I can just toss a sheet of plywood on there and pretty much hit go and it's done. You know, if you just need something that you can turn on and go. You've got easel that works pretty well if you're doing standard parts, and even now it's got the 3D portion, which I have used and it works really well. So if you're not somebody who's adapted using CAM or 3D modeling, you can still do pretty much what you need if you want to do like cabinet boxes and things like that. It's just draw it in 2D and go. It definitely saves a lot of time.